have arrived in Bernardsville, or as some people say, Bernardsville. All right, we're heading over to the station. The station of Bernardsville. We are going to go to the station in Garwood, but that's a whole different line. That's the Raritan Valley line. So let's go have some lunch. We got the Bang Bang. Here we are in Garwood, New Jersey, a small borough, 7/10 of a mile square town. Spent some time here back in the day, and we're going to go over to the station restaurant here, which just got voted 2025 the best wings in New Jersey, the Garden State. Sadly, that is the Garwood station, which was burnt back in the day. Number one wings have arrived at the station in Garwood. Let's check them out. They're a little different. The secret sauce, whatever Brian puts on them, these are uniquely Garwood station wings, not in Bernardsville. Don't forget to check out that vid. You'll see what I think of the Bang Bang shrimp. You have to check these out. I'm going to attempt getting to the bottom of this, and how I'm going to do it, I'm going to ask Brian if he'll tell us, at least give us a hint what the secret is.
I'm not going to tell you the secret. So it is a special sauce that we make, but I am convinced that it's the grill. The temperature of the grill, because I could give you the sauce and you can make it at home, but it's not the same. So the quick story behind the wings, they were a friend's recipe. I played with the ingredients. I used to make it only for my brother. So one night somebody was ordering wings and looked over and said, wow, those wings look great. What are they? And the bartender didn't know, so she said they're Brian's brothers. That's how they got their name. They've never been on a menu. And 90% of the wings that I sell are these wings through word of mouth. So come in and try them. If you don't enjoy them, if you don't like them, John will pay for them.
All right, and I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to be paying for many.
You're not going to pay for
These are banging.
There's something about